I'm Brendon, founder of Aussie Gutter Protection here in Melbourne. After 20 years of business, I hope I can guide you to make the best choice for your home with our proven materials and system. Today, I want to take a few minutes to talk about Gutter Guard and why you should consider a professionally installed gutter protection system. Some of the questions we ask: is it for light or heavy debris? Are there pine trees blocking the gutter? Do you have a flat roof or is it pitched? Are you protecting your home against birds, possums or mice? Are you collecting clean water for your tank? Are you protecting your home against an ember attack? AGP can provide you with many types of materials, including polyethylene, aluminium, and now carbon steel. All our products have been proven well beyond warranty period, and we will recommend the right system for your needs. Over 20 years of experience allows us to continually find new ways of protecting your gutters and your roof. Not only is the screening material important, but the way it is installed is important too. The accessories are equally important. The most commonly used product across Australia is the Aluminium Screen. Over the years, we have found that a stronger aluminium mesh was needed. So we developed a range of materials we call TuffMesh. Our exclusive TuffMesh range is for customers who demand a no-compromise gutter protection system. You can check out our TuffMesh video. TuffMesh has the highest quality powder coating. TuffMesh has been certified not to contaminate your drinking water. TuffMesh is UV stable. TuffMesh is non-combustible. And TuffMesh is strong. The accessories are made from carbon steel with the widest range of components for tile roofs, corrugated roofs, trim deck roofs, and now clip lock roof. All our installations, regardless of roof type, use a specifically fabricated carbon trim to secure the mesh to the gutter. The trim plays a vital role to reinforce the mesh to the gutter. If you are interested in having TuffMesh installed to your roof or your home, you can contact us via the link below. We service Melbourne and country Victoria. We also have a list of distributors across Australia. Thanks for listening.